see if we can even make it passable to get anywhere. We're not optimistic. I'm in four-wheel drive high, and people who don't have four-wheel drive, we've already seen 2 stuck cars. Trucks, actually, yeah, 2 stuck trucks. So not holding high hopes, but we'll see what happens. As you can tell, I'm kind of slipping around right now. It's kind of loose packed, so it hasn't really gotten super icy yet, but the more people that travel over it is going to turn icier and icier, I think. We can just only pray that there's no light rain or sleet anytime soon, because then it will be a nightmare. Oh, here's a 2-wheel drive.